And it's recording, great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vita, and today I'm wearing an apron, so you know what that means. It's another Baking with Vita video. So here we go. Basically I'm alone right now, and I made myself a nice, glorious smoothie this morning, being the healthy person that I am. And last night, my whole entire family wanted cupcakes, but we didn't have any. So I said today that I'm going to make cupcakes while everyone's gone, and they're gonna come back, and there's gonna be cupcakes. So here we go. First step is ingredient. Okay, so I went digging, and these are all of the cake mixes that we have. Like, I didn't buy any for this special video. My family likes some cake. Okay, so we have butter golden, spice cake, white, red velvet, classic yellow, got some lemon, some milk chocolate, and then we got some dark chocolate fudge. So let's eliminate some of these. White cakes for weddings, so no. Spike cases for fall. Butter golden and classic yellow. Don't really know the difference. Gotta look at those. I'm the only one who likes lemon, so probably a bad idea. Okay, so I love me some red velvet. Like, I absolutely love red velvet, so that's definitely a contender. I don't like dark chocolate. And this chocolate piece of cake right here, like, I don't like him. Like, he's too perfect, you know? Like, he thinks that he's better than all the other cake mixes, but he's not. He's like below average, you know? But he's like, oh, look at this glorious little piece of cake that I am, this perfect square with these little jimmies on top.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yeah, no. You're too I don't like him. So, our contenders are red velvet, butter golden, and yellow. So, the difference between butter golden and yellow is that butter golden has a ton of butter. So, this one's too fattening, so get out of here. Let's see, this one has directions in Spanish and English, and this one's just English. But I'm not Spanish, so I don't really need that. But I don't know. You know what? Let's just go with the classic yellow, you know? Okay, so. Oh my gosh, it has dust. Oh wait, no, that's just flour. How old is this? Oh, 2022. Okay, so we need. Okay, so it also says to preheat the oven to 350, which I'm doing now because my oven absolutely takes forever to preheat. So yeah, there's that information. Okay, so I've switched it to an overhead camera, which I set up somehow in my cabinet so you can see everything that goes into this and, like, you know, be artsy, okay? So here we go. Okay, so first off, we have the cake mix, of course. Oh my gosh, cake mix smells so good. 1 cup of water. Then we have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 3 eggs.
1, 2, 3.
Now we have to mix it. I just remembered that I forgot the secret ingredient, so hang on 1 second. Our secret ingredient that we put in our cakes and our cupcakes is this little bag right here, which is pudding mix. So if you're doing like a vanilla based, what's it called? Vanilla based cake, you put in vanilla pudding, same as for chocolate and strawberry and like whatever. And it just makes it like a denser, like more cakier kind of cupcake. So now I have to mix this in it. So now we have to get our cupcake pan ready. So, and now we need to get this. This is the huge cupcake scoop that we use. We basically fill this up about 3/4 of the way and plop it into each. Probably get about 1 or 2 more. Okay, so bang them out to get the air bubbles out. 18 to 21. So we're gonna put these into the oven for about 20 minutes. We have one more cupcake. I put it in the liner, so all I have to do is just like pop it in there. Probably a bad idea because like I can't really, well, I guess I can pick it up. I mean, it's just gonna be like, it's gonna be big. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be big. Okay, so the power didn't go out. My last cupcake, my singular one, has about like 2 more minutes left. And the rest of them are cooling down. So I saw this thing online. I don't even remember where I saw it. It might have been on Snapchat, Instagram, somewhere. Where you take a piece of plastic wrap, put your icing on it, and then like put food coloring in it, and then roll it up, and then put it in a piping bag, and then you make like a spiral like rainbow thing. So I thought that was really cool, and I wanted to try it. So I have my cling wrap. So you take this and you smooth it out on here. I have the colors that I used for sugar cookies. I think I want to do like a pastel-y color, so I think I want to do light blue, pink. I think these 3 colors would look really, really good. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, well, I just cut a little slit in it, so what they did was like put it down the middle,
I guess. And then just like that. That's some bright pink, man. That's bright too.
Okay. I kind of like how marbly it is. I don't like how straightforward this one is. I think I'm gonna fix it. So I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for, I don't know, a little bit. I'll see when it's like, I don't know. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Oh well, we'll see. Okay, so there's a lot happening right now. I'm pretty sure my wash machine just broke because I went in to change the laundry and now my sock is soaking wet. And also, I just watched a video of a lady who was very hard to understand. She needs to work on her English a little bit more, but like, I understood you, sister. But she said that all you have to do, she actually showed a video of it, is literally just roll it up. But like, the way that, I don't know how to do this, because it like stuck to itself. You know what, we're just gonna try it. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, it wasn't even recording. Was it recording? Oh my God, it wasn't even recording. Okay, so basically I just rolled it up with the plastic wrap in it, and now I just have to make sure this won't come undone and cut the other side. So, I don't know how much we're supposed to cut. Are we supposed to like cut into it like this? Well, if we aren't, I did it wrong, so. Okay, so then we take this log and we stick it in my piping bag. This is what we have. Yeah, we have a star tip on here So yeah, my icing's a little bit cold. So we're just gonna let it chill there and bring it up to temperature, and I'll catch you back. Okay, so the frosting's warmed up a bit, and okay, well there's pink and blue, so this might be just like a gender reveal cupcake, but let's see. Okay, well listen, it looks cool, but like, man is it hard to squeeze. Okay, well, there's a little bit of purple right there. I gotta work on my technique. Like, the middle of it is absolutely amazing, and then you get to the outsides, and it's like, what the heck did you do? Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and ice these, and yeah. Okay, so some of the more purpley ones, like the icing trick didn't really work because the plastic wrap was starting to come undone and go through the tip of it. So I just smoothed it out. The other ones though, if I had a bigger tip, I think it would have looked absolutely amazing. I would not really recommend this tip. I would try and find another one because it doesn't work very well. This hack doesn't work very well. I'm just gonna put the extra icing on here. But yeah, I mean, these look absolutely amazing. I love the look of these. The ones near the end, I kind of ran out of the pink and they kind of looked more purpley and blue. But overall, yeah, that's really good. So I have 4 cupcakes that are uniced for my parents because they don't really like icing. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I have to put these guys away before the icing starts melting even more next to this hot stove. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like these like baking, cooking kind of videos, of course I'll make more because I absolutely love doing them. But if you guys have any suggestions on what you might want to see next, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Go ahead and give this a video a thumbs up because it hopefully brightened your day and maybe you made some cupcakes along with me. I don't know. I mean, that would be fun. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye!